There's still time to enter our holiday parade, live from Scratcherton Square, this Saturday, December 17th on YouTube. To enter, grab this template file or follow the link in the description. Hit the Remix button to make your own copy. You can enter your float name and your first name or nickname by filling in the blanks in the code. Other than that, don't change the code at all. You can go ahead and delete the thumbnail sprite. Now go ahead and design and decorate any kind of float you like, and give it as many costumes as you like, but your final float needs to be just one sprite. You can add new elements to the template by drawing them yourself, by copy-pasting from Scratch's sprite library, or by importing images from the internet. We've compiled a collection of holiday sprites and decorations in our holiday toolbox, which you can find linked in the description. Now copy the elements from your first frame of animation into the second frame and move them around a little to bring them to life. Make your characters wave to the crowd, make lights glow, or change colors. Hit the green flag to test your animation and tweak things as necessary. When you're happy with your float, share the file and copy the URL. Now navigate to our Parade Studio, the link's in the description. In the little window underneath Add Projects, paste your project URL and click Add by URL. And you're done! To be entered in our parade, we need your float by the end of the school day on Friday, December 16th. You can see the full parade, plus more fun holiday-themed Scratch projects and tutorials by watching the Atomec Studios Holiday Special, Saturday at 11 a.m. Eastern on YouTube.